Hi, I'm Katie at the Chapin Branch Library, and I'm outside today because it's the most beautiful spring day, and you shouldn't be inside when it's this beautiful. So we're going to do a project today that includes a little bit of craft, a little bit of sciencey stuff, and a lot of fun. The first thing you need for this wonderful craft is an idea of what you're doing. Me, I'm going to make a volcano. Now, in the past, I've always wanted to do this, but I look at the volcano books and I look at the videos, and it's so complicated and it's so hard to do. You have to do paper mache and it makes a huge mess, and you have to do all this. You know what? This is gonna be a nice, easy craft, a nice, easy science experiment. We're gonna have fun. The first thing you need is some sand. Now, I know you guys are all grown up now. You probably don't have a sandbox in the backyard, but maybe you do. Maybe you've outgrown your sandbox and it's very lonely and it misses you. Go out to your sandbox. Wait, you don't have one? You can get by with just a plastic container full of sand. That works great too. Okay, so you also need a couple of water bottles. Used, empty water bottles. Can you say recycle? We're gonna recycle water bottles, how cool is that? Okay, now, the first thing you're gonna do is get a recipe. Because this is kind of sciencey. You gotta know what you're doing. To make a volcano, you need to make a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. That's the most important part. The rest of this is just kind of fun. So, I am going to measure very carefully, and by very carefully, I mean really you don't need to measure hardly at all. About half a cup. Probably helps to take the lid off. About half a cup of vinegar. Now I'm pouring it into this bottle, and you know I'm not going to make any mess at all, right? If you make a little mess, it's okay. You're outside. No big deal. Half a cup. You can measure that onto your cup, your bottle, or you can just kind of eyeball it. Okay. Half a cup of vinegar. Now I need half tablespoon of dish soap. Anything your mom's got. It's no big deal. It's gonna make everything kind of sudsy. All right. Measure that right. That looks a little bit like water. Let's get that out of the way. Now, a bit of food coloring. Now, you might notice I'm wearing a really ugly apron over my clothes. You know why? Because I'm adding food coloring. And food coloring gets on your clothes, it's never coming off. So, wear something old you don't care it gets messed up. Put something over the clothes. See? All right. Now I need 2 tablespoons of water. Just like that. Lid on. Shake it up a little bit. Already it's cool. Okay. Now, we have another water bottle. So we'll put it up. And we're going to add a tablespoon or 2 of baking soda. Now, sometimes when you go to put baking soda in, okay, look, it's gonna make a mess. Most of it is out. If you don't have a funnel, you can make one. Just take a little foil paper. Right where it's supposed to go. I'm gonna put in 2 because, okay. Makes you feel like a mad scientist. Now, I'm gonna put just a little bit of glitter to make it. Oh, who am I kidding? You can't put a little bit, you gotta put a whole lot. Because you can never have too much glitter. All right, let's see how that works. Got baking soda, glitter. All right, this is the basis of your volcano. That wasn't so hard. All right, it's going in the sandbox. Right in the middle. And now I'm making my volcano. See how easy that is? No paper mache. If I mess up, I can just do it over again. I'm gonna make a mountain. go. There's our volcano. All right, are you ready for the sciencey part? Here's our mixture of vinegar, water, soap suds, and a little sugar. Now, if you don't wear glasses, you might want to ask Mom if she's got any goggles or something, because we want to be safe. All right, here we go. I don't know what's going to happen, because this is science. We're going to add a little bit of our magic elixir here. We're going to wait to see that. Oh boy, look at that! Now it's only going out one way, but that is what I call a cool volcano. It's glittery. It's not blowing up all over the place. It's just oozing out the way lava does. It works. Oh. Look at that! It's working! Our volcano is erupting. That's a fun way to make a mess. All right, we've made a volcano. Now, make sure you come to the library and check out books about volcanoes. We have tons of books, all kinds of interesting ones. And you can tell me how your volcano turned out.